Hello friends, in this today's class we study semaphores. Semaphore is nothing but it is one integer. Okay, so this is a hardware based solution for our critical section problem. So whatever the hardware based solution to this critical section problem we have already seen in previous sections. Okay, those hardware based solutions are very difficult for application programmers to use. To overcome these difficulties or overcomes over this difficulties, we have started to use a synchronization tool. That synchronization tool is a semaphore. A semaphore is an integer variable that apart from initialization it is accessed only through two standard atomic operations, wait and signal. Here wait is nothing but test and signal is nothing but increment. Okay, wait operation was originally termed as or indicated as P because of some scientist whose name starts from P, and its wait is nothing but what here, test, and signal was originally called V because of a scientist name V. Its actual meaning is increment. Okay, the definition of wait is like this: wait S open, and while S is less than or equal to 0, S minus minus. Okay, see here no operation is there. Okay, so the definition of a signal is like this: signal of S, so S plus plus. You can see here wait is nothing but test, and condition is there, while condition S is less than or equal to 0, so testing. So if it is true, or if it is true, then decrement the value of S, it means S minus minus. So definition of signal is, signal of S is increment, it is S plus plus. Okay, so all modifications to these integer value of a semaphore in wait and signal operations must be executed individually or indivisibly. So that is, when one process modifies the semaphore value, no other process can simultaneously modify the same value, semaphore value. So in addition to this one, in case of wait, the testing of these integer value of S, that is while S is less than or equal to 0, we have used. So as well as its possible modification, that is S minus minus, must be executed without interruption. Let us see how semaphores can be used now. Operating systems, OS, which usually OSs will make a clear difference between counting semaphores and binary semaphores. The value of counting semaphore can range over an unrestricted domain. Unrestricted domain means it can start from 0 to up to infinity. The value of binary semaphore can range only between 0 and 1. Since its name itself is a binary, it can range only between 0 and 1. On some systems, binary semaphores are also known as mutex locks. So as they are locks that provide mutual exclusion. Because of this mutual exclusion, these binary semaphores are called as mutex locks. So counting semaphore can be used to control access to a given resource, which is consisting of a finite number of instances, but the semaphore is initialized to the number of resources available. So each process that wants to use a resource, it has to perform or it has to execute a wait operation on the semaphore. So wait operation is nothing but to test the condition and modify. It means decrement the count, that is S minus minus. When a process releases a resource, it performs a signal. So signal operation, it means that signal operation is nothing but it is an increment operation. So it increments the count value, that is S plus plus. When the count for semaphore goes or decreases to 0, all resources are being used. It means that there is no any resource to use by the processes. After that, processes that wants to use a resource will block until the count becomes greater than 0. It means, so if any one process wants to use any resource and there are no more any resources, then that count value will be 0. At that time these processes will be blocked. It means they are going to wait for getting the resources. once this count value becomes greater than 0 because of this increment operation s plus plus, at that time some one or two resources will be available. At that time these processes will get those resources. Okay, to implement these semaphores, we define this semaphore as a structure of C language. Type def struct int value struct process star list. Okay, that is a semaphore. The wait semaphore operation can now can be defined as a wait semaphore star s. So s is nothing but value minus minus. If s value is less than 0, add this process to s. Okay, s list, and block the process. So this is wait. Okay, since it is a decrementing then count, so once the count value becomes 0, it blocks the processes. Signal semaphore operation is defined like this, that is signal semaphore star s. So s value plus plus, since it is an increment operation, it increments the value of count, that is value plus plus. If s value is less than or equal to 0, then remove that process p from a list and wake up the p. It means remove that process from list and then wake up that process p.